Hello friends, welcome to this delicious and healthy shrimp recipe, and this is our shrimp recipe 3 on this channel. So for this recipe we're going to use some broccoli, and we also have our clean shrimps here. If you haven't yet checked out recipe 1 and recipe 2, please do. We begin by soaking clean broccoli in boiling water for just 2 minutes. We then drain and put aside. So in a pan, we add some oil, butter. If it's your first time here, please consider subscribing and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you know whenever we have a new video. We add some chopped onions and chopped garlic. Saute until the onions become transparent. Add clean shrimps, salt, paprika, dried parsley, and mix until the shrimps change color. So when the shrimps change color, cover and cook on medium for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, we add broccoli and continue cooking for more 3 minutes. Remember to taste the salt. After the extra 3 minutes, you can serve and enjoy as desired. I love the broccoli half cooked. However, if you love it so soft, you can cook it for more minutes. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell so that you know whenever we have a new video. We meet again. Bye.